box. We have them wired here. We just gotta reattach the light because we haven't to the parking lights. Alright, we're connecting these to the parking lights. I tapped into this side light here. Now I'm just gonna reattach these wires. The parking lights is back working again. I got the wiring done. Now I'm gonna zip tie the control box behind the bumper.
Okay guys, so what we did is we went ahead and fed this power cord through the side of the bed right here, and we ran it through the top. So once you get that done, we're gonna go ahead and just connect our lights up, and go ahead and make sure you clean the bottom of your bed first, of course. Once that's done, you can go ahead and take off the 3M tape and go ahead and stick it up underneath there.